Welcome to the strain gauge experiment. I will begin by showing you a brief slide picturing the materials that you will need to conduct this experiment. Likely when you begin the experiment, you will come and the aluminum beam that you see here will likely already have some strain gauges installed. That's okay, that's just from the last group. What you will do is take an X-Acto knife and you can begin removing any tape, adhesive, the strain gauge, the wires, remove everything. Once you've done that, then you will want to take a measuring tool. Any will do, such as this. And what you'll need to do is measure out from one end about a foot. And then from this marker, another foot. Because these are going to be the markers for where you will end up placing your strain gauge. There should be quite a bit left on the edge there, and that's okay. We need that space for later. Right? So I like to use the pencil and marker method when I'm marking on the strain gauge, or marking out the place for our strain gauge. So I use the graphite pencil to mark along the wide edge of our beam, and then along the thin edge or the side, I use the marker to mark on each side, because likely what will happen is as we clean our surface of the beam, the graphite will likely disappear. And so when it disappears, it's going to be difficult for us to tell where we're cleaning. And so having the marker on the sides here definitely helps to remind us where we're going to install that strain gauge. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and position the camera, so give me a second, I will chime right back in.